mas lamang po yung sadness. Mas nalulungkot ako sa nangyayari. Kasi I know that we don't deserve this. But at the same time, as someone who experienced the struggle, especially sa mga underserved communities, I'm part of that. So alam ko kung gaano kahirap na kumayod sa buhay. So if you're gonna ask me about that, Sir TV, I think there's still hope. Meron pa rin tao dyan. There's still people out there who really care about the Filipino people, who really care about our country. And we just need to take our time to be mindful, to be smart in voting and putting those people in the right position that they deserve. So I think, yeah, I'm very hopeful na masosolusyonan pa natin yung corruption problem natin. And it just takes one decision from one person. At pag nag-unite tayo, I think it will definitely be a good result for us. We'll definitely can elect rightful individuals in their position as well.
Thank you.